Ready to unlock hidden insights and transform your raw SQL Server data into stunning visualizations? First, open Tableau Desktop on the left-hand side. You'll see the Connect pane under the To a Server section. Locate and click on Microsoft SQL Server. A connection dialog box will pop up here. You'll need to enter your SQL Server details in the server field. Type the name of your server instance. This could be a local instance or a server on your network. Next, specify how you want to authenticate. Choose between Windows Authentication, which uses your current Windows credentials, or SQL Server Authentication, where you'll need to enter your username and password. If choosing SQL Server Authentication, type in your username and password. Now, from the Database drop-down menu, select the specific database you want to connect to. This will list all the databases available on the specified server. Once you've selected your database, click Sign in. Tableau will then display the tables and views available in that database. Drag the table you wish to analyze into the canvas area. Tableau automatically fetches the data from your SQL Server. You can now start building your visualizations by dragging and dropping fields onto the shelves and canvas, creating insightful charts and dashboards. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Tableau to SQL Server and are now ready to explore and visualize your data like never before.